Please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 8, your lordship, of the daily list. Kindly may be taken after Bihu, your lordship.
Item 8 of the
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 35, lordship, with the consent of the other side, lordship.
30,
35.
35,
Lordship, kindly on the fixed
council, your body,
petitioner, lordship.
who will file an IA?
Actually, on challenging order that it wrongly,
No, who filed the IA?
I am a lordship.
You have filed.
Yes.
The learned council. Yes.
Kindly on the fixed of this.
After 2 weeks, when it come in the week beginning from 29th on.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22. The matter may be come after vacation, lordship.
22 at the request of learned council.
Oblige, your lordship.
Lord, I beg to mention a matter for listing on 18th,
What?
rec- recruitment to the post of technician at NIT system, bench to matter.
But recruitment matter. I am supposed to take up salary allowance, suspension, pension transfer, and series matter.
Lordship,
Bench 2, I think we have to mention bench. Regular bench 2 matter.
very well.
This bench is for the transfer, pension, suspension, payments of salary allowances relating to bench 2, 3, 4, and the series.
Very
Okay.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9, madam. We have Mr. M. Islam. He is in very main, madam. Matter may be adjourned.
Item 9.
Item 9, madam. Petitioner's counsel. Mr. M.
Submitted to the council appearing the very matter 4 weeks.
Lordship, I pray for adjournment of item number 3, Lordship. The matter relates to
She
suspension.
will come just now. Wait for your turn.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, item number 32, my lord. I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord. Petitioner, my lord. I have taken the consent of the other side, my lord.
Item 32 at the request of current council for the petitioner.
Oblige me.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 27 on behalf of Mr. M. Soikia. The engaged counsel is out of station, kindly adjourn the case after
Item
vacation.
7 at the request of made on behalf of 2 weeks.
Right.
27. May I please, your lordship? So the petitioner was serving as a deputy inspector of school, Kamrup Metro, my lord. He was suspended, my lord, on 4/3/2023, my lord. The grievances of the petitioner is that, my lord, he has not been reinstated in service in spite of being placed under suspension for a period beyond the
Yes, yes.
3 months.
Lordship, whether it has been reviewed or not, that instruction is awaited, your lordship.
Two occasions they have,
Why have you not
Even-
paid? Get the instruction.
on 2 occasions they have taken time,
This
my lord.
requires a phone call to find out why it is taking so much of time.
Lordship,
Give you this instruction. Who is supposed to give the instruction?
Lordship, may I pray, your lordship, Mr. Andre Khatunia will be here, lordship. Can it be taken after some time, your lordship?
Right after some time.
After some time,
Wait for
lordship.
some time.
Lordship.
Yes.
Pass over the timing, Lordship.
Don't expect matters to be time passed over like this.
With the Bihu, what time do you sir? After
Yes.
Bihu.
There is
Affidavit has it been
File-
Oh,
filed?
yes, we have
Yesterday.
filed, we have filed.
When?
yesterday, Lordship.
Yes, sir.
It
Not
will be
available
reply.
yet.
My senior is ready, Lordship.
No, but the affidavit is not here in the court's
Oh,
file.
acha, acha.
Yeah, for arrival, no? After Bihu, yeah.
It is submitted by the learned council, bar, submitted to the bar. That the affidavit directed to be filed by the respondent have been filed yesterday. Was it filed yesterday?
Ask you.
When was it filed?
No, no, we have filed, my lord, oh, sorry, my lord.
I have received yesterday.
We have filed, oh, yeah, 8 April, my lord.
Was filed yesterday. And eight would be
8 April, 20, day after, day before yesterday.
filed day before yesterday. They was filed on eighth of April.
8 of April.
I will say on the basis of the case. Registry is directed to print out the affidavit and place it before the court by the next day. List again after.
Lordship, kindly fix the date, Lordship. Make motion, Lordship.
Bless you.
It's on second, sorry, on third of March, 3rd of May.
Lordship, kindly, this is May, April month, Lordship. 24, 25th, this is any date.
26.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship.
Yeah.
Lordship, the matter pertains to suspension pending.
You're
disciplinary-
mentioning for something, but
Yes, Lordship, adjournment, Lordship, because this matter pertains to suspension pending disciplinary proceedings. Another matter where eventually disciplinary proceedings were held. So in that matter, we got stay yesterday. Kindly, the two matter may be taken together, Lordship.
it's submitted that subsequent writ petition has been filed by the petitioner putting to challenge the departmental proceeding initiated against the writ petition. It's submitted that both the writ petitions be taken up together. According to the matter be listed along with WPC number
2066 of 2024.
2066 of
2024,
2024. When is the next matter fixed?
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
We listed after 3 weeks along with.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, the petitioner,
Affidavit filed.
the affidavit yesterday we have received, my lord, but
Here
This-
got a copy.
this does not indicate, my lord, whether within 90 days that the review has been done or not, my lord. If your lordship kindly have a
Give
look,
us a
my
copy.
copy, and
Their affidavit is not here.
into all. Lordship will see the page 72, my lord, the and next connection, my lord. It does not indicate, my lord, that within a period of 90 days. Then lordship will see the next connection, my lord, February 14 February 24, my lord, that review was done. That is the more much above, my lord.
I think in one of the matter, the suspension was interfered with. I remember seeing an order. One of the persons name is mentioned here.
Yeah, my lord. Some, my lord,
Suspension was interfered by the.
yes, my lord. There is some Payang, my lord. I heard it, my lord, but I do not have the number.
I could be. It's been set aside.
My
The
lord.
cover. Either.
by encashment fund. G paying. Vinod Kumar Pai. Hello. Play on TV. Public money.
In the first communication, it says that it has completed within 3 months, 6 months.
6 months, my lord, in case of the inquiry or anything.
Inquiry has started.
The inquiry, my lord,
To the proposed notice.
only, my lord, initially stage, my lord, show cause was issued, thereafter nothing, my lord.
Have you replied?
Yes, I have replied everything. And 14.2, lordship will see, my lord, from the affidavit. They have reviewed only in the month of February 24, my.
Yes, yes. I think,
They have filed an affidavit, Lordship.
no, that's all right, but I think your case is covered with the other gentleman.
Vinod Kumar Pai.
Interfered with suspension.
Their Lordship, because the suspension was not reviewed at all, Lordship.
He also not reviewed.
Here it is reviewed, Lordship, as per our affidavit, 2 times it was reviewed.
No, madam. Last time it has not
We
been.
have brought it on record, Lordship.
Give him a copy, then both judgment.
Yes, my lord. After some time, my lord, I'll come.
After some time, happy to come on the
All lordship fixed, my lord, on 22, my lord. 22,
All right, this one 20. You may take back the affidavit.
lordship.
It is submitted that an affidavit has been filed by the forest department of the earlier orders passed. And however, the copy is the same. It's more, it's been verified, it's up. It's the case on 22nd of April.
All right.
The affidavit to be fixed. May I take back, my lord?
Yes, yes. Tell me item number 1. If you can,
My lord.
if you can treat Mr. Bonik to a cup of tea, he might help you. Mr. Borgoya,
But I got it, my.
Mr. Borgoya was wondering whether he might get some help from you. All right.
Okay.
But here, my lord, I have not received the instruction.
What only why instructions don't come?
In fact, the order was passed by the Secretary of the Department, my lord, and it was communicated, but from the government, I have not received any instruction. My lord, fix it on the reopening day, my lord.
My lord is pending since 2023, my lord.
If it is not-
October, my lord. 2 times they were given time, my lord, to take instruction, my lord. My lord, in a similarly situated case, my lord, there is a order, my lord. 240.
1 year has passed.
Yes, my lord.
Till now, you are unable to get the instructions. What has happened?
Similarly situated case.
Let him get the instructions once. Let him get the instruction. We have it on 22nd.
Yes, my
You
lord.
get your instructions positively. It's on 22nd. By which date the respondents will obtain instruction as directed. Failing which, court may proceed to pass orders on the basis of the pleadings available.
Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged.
May I please, this matter, my lord, whether review has been done on.
Yes.
Whether review has been done on, the lordship was asked them to obtain instruction.
Yes, madam.
Review, Lordship, has not been done, but we have initiated DP and appointed the inquiry officer as on date, Lordship. And Lordship,
When
the
was he suspended?
Suspension, my lord, 16/11. 2002. Page 39.
we have appointed an inquiry officer, Lordship.
My ground is that, my lord, since review is mandatory, DP is another part, my lord. I'm not on there. Since.
Lordship, the question is from which date the 90 days will be counted, Lordship. The coordinate bench of this honorable court has held that, Lordship, from the date of release on bail, the date will be counted, Lordship. The recent judgment of the coordinate bench of this honorable court, Lordship.
See, that is in conflict with the division bench.
Division bench, after some days, the division bench,
Prior to that,
no,
well,
Lordship,
prior to that.
Justice, Lord,
well, prior to that, there is a division bench judgment. That,
Ajay Chaudhary doesn't,
no, Ajay Chaudhary doesn't say, but subsequent division bench judgment of this court says that this is applicable to 6-2 also.
6-2 also, in the 6-2 Lordship proviso, there is given after the person is released on bail, Lordship. So the, as
Where?
per my
Provision
understanding,
where?
Lordship 6-2.
Let us see 6-2. 6-2. Discipline and appeal.
6-2 provide proviso, Lordship, provided that whether detention is made on account of any charge not connected with his position as a government servant or the government servant in the discharge of his duties as a charge not involve moral turpitude, the appointing authority may vacate the suspension order made or deemed to have been made when he is released on bail or is not otherwise in custody or imprisonment.
No, sorry, you're reading the proviso.
Yes, Lordship, the proviso.
So this is for doing it unilaterally. This does not contemplate review.
Review is mandatory, that is true, Lordship. But the
Review is
date,
mandatory.
Lordship, but from which date the review 90 days will start,
No,
Lordship, the
which date will
coordinate,
have to be related to the act, to the rules. The rules
the
are very clear.
coordinate bench of this honorable court,
Coordinate
Lordship,
bench.
has,
Coordinate bench judgment. You can't read coordinate bench judgment in isolation. It has to be read with the rules. It has to be read along with the division bench judgment.
Lordship.
Pursuant to Ajay Chaudhary, division bench has held that the mandate of Ajay Chaudhary is applicable in 6-2.
Yes, yes.
That is attained finality.
In that time, Lordship, Ajit Sunwal, Lordship.
For calculating on which date, okay, that date he gives you an intimation. But can you, does it require arithmetical precision to say that no, from this date, within this date, it has to be done?
Lordship, to provide, give him the charge sheet, Lordship. He has to be out on bail,
When
Lordship.
were you out of bail? When were you released on bail?
December 18-12, Lordship.
And did you intimate the authority?
No, Lordship. He intimated us from on February, Lordship, after 2 months. But
Immediately,
Lordship, still, if we take the date from the release on bail,
You see,
Lordship,
the difficulty is you are taken into custody for few months,
4 weeks.
whatever it may, some weeks. You're released on bail. Now, how will the authority know we suspended you?
Immediately, we have verbally informed, my lord. It's a small town. However,
Mr. Now,
Lordship, if we take the date from the release of bail, Lordship, 18-12, then 3 months, Lordship, then we are within time limit, Lordship.
my lord, this honorable court, my lord, held that date has to be counted from the date of suspension. In that event, the 90 days has been elapsed. My can I see Binod Kumar Payang's judgment? That point has been dealt with. It was argued by the respondent That has to be counted
You
from,
show it to the council for the response. Judgment.
you know.
To my mind, the finding of the learned single judge is in conflict with the judgment of the,
Yes, this is true. If Lordship rapidly.
because division bench is held, it goes back to the date of the,
Yes, yes, that is true. Lordship.
so, all right,
From the date of release of bail, Lordship, if 90 days.
at the division bench has said it will go back, goes back. All right, for convenience, you can say, okay, from the date you are intimated. But you can't take a stand that he never intimated me, therefore, we don't know. You have placed him under suspicion.
But if he's behind the bars,
You
Lordship, it's difficult.
also have a circular
Yes, sir.
where it says that periodical review is necessary by the head of the department, and if not done, then proceedings are withdrawn. What has happened? What steps have you taken in terms?
Lordship, if he's behind the bars, Lordship, we cannot provide him with the charge memo, Lordship. That's why the date from the release of bail, Lordship, if it is counted and we are within the time limit 90 days.
From the point of your responsibility, you are shifting the responsibility to the officer. He has not decided to be under suspension. You have placed him under suspension.
The offense is same, Lordship.
Suspension is not a punishment.
And the offenses of the department, Lordship. If it would have been of
Correct.
another offense,
Correct,
then
but then you have not placed him under suspension. Is it necessary? Is it mandatory to place him under suspension? No.
it was a deemed
Because he was
suspension.
arrested.
Yes, yes.
Placed him under-
Deemed suspension.
You also have the liberty to revoke that suspension under the provision.
Provided the offenses of another nature.
Maybe, but there is a, you have not taken a decision that he does not fall under. Have you taken a decision that this suspension cannot be revoked under provision of the Constitution?
No.
It is an exception provision.
Lordship may dispose of the matter on the line of Lordship para 17 of Ajit Sunwal, Lordship. Where it is said that Lordship peruses para 17, Lordship.
Yes. Para
17 of Ajit Sunwal, Lordship.
17.
नहीं दिखा
Very well, we pass orders then. We are allowing the writ petition, setting aside the suspension order. And you are in liberty to carry
Yes.
on with the disciplinary proceeding.
Yes.
And he shall be entitled to all his subsistence allowances, whatever is paid.
Right.
We'll pass order.
Hello.
Online, Lordship.
Yes.
Supposed to receive instruction.
Lordship, here the instruction that video was asked to place give the non-royal certificate, Your Lordship. He was asked to give the non-royal certificate of the petitioner. That has not been given, Your Lordship. So some more time may be given, Your Lordship. Will after obtaining the non-royal certificate, then only we'll be able to process, Your Lordship.
So non-royal, who's supposed to give the non-royal?
Lordship, it is from the DDO Kachar. It's an elementary matter, Your Lordship. DDO of Kachar district, he has to give the non-royal certificate, Your Lordship. We have again given him a reminder. So some time may be given, Your Lordship.
He has to give the non-royal certificate. 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 He has to give the non-royal Right, at the request of learned standing council, the Mutahari. Stand paper for the enabling her to complete my. Your Mr.
NZ Chaudhary.
NJ.
Chaudhary. Shiva, if date is kindly, any date if possible kindly,
Any date. 10th of May.
much obliged.
Pleasure.
May my lord, the petitioner is a four-grade employee under responder one, my lord. There is an order from the family court, my lord, Annexer H directly, Lord, page 49.
Yeah.
There is an order from the family court to deduct an amount of rupees 15,000 from his salary,
Page
49. Annexer H.
yes.
My lord, peruse the petition number so and so filed by the petitioner stating that the opposite party has defaulted in payment of monthly maintenance allowances of rupees 13,000 and the arrear amount acquired till the date is 5,19,500. Hence, prayer for recovery of the arrear amount along with the monthly maintenance allowances by deducting 13,000 towards monthly maintenance allowances and 2,000 per month towards arrear amount, thereby totaling 15,000 per month from the salary of the opposite party. Peruse the case record, the court, which case so-and-so order dated and directed the opposite party for payment of enhanced monthly maintenance allowance at 13,000 to the petitioner. Defaulter notice was issued to the opposite party and he appeared in the court after receiving the defaulter notice on demand and paid an amount of 10,000.
Yes. So
My lord, he was the last let direction be issued to the third paragraph, DDO, the opposite party, namely Under Secretary Government of Assam, GA, General Secretary, Secretariat Accounts Department, Dispur, Guwahati 6 for deduction of 15,000 per month from the salary of the opposite party and the deposit the same in the bank account of the petitioner, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the DDO has informed that he has no authority to deduct the amount. Commissioner has the authority. Therefore, the order has been passed to the commissioner. But the next annexer, my lord, annexer I. But commissioner, instead of deducting but complying with the order passed by the family court, has stopped payment. Since January 2024, petitioner is not getting any salary, my lord. He is having old mother to school-going children.
page number.
Page number, my lord, 51, annexer I. Petitioner is present, opposite party is absent without steps. Today, the date is fixed for submission of compliance report by Under Secretary Secretary to the Government of Assam, GA, Secretariat Accounts Department, Dispur, Guwahati 6, regarding deduction of monthly maintenance allowance as has been awarded to the petitioner from the salary of the opposite party. Whereas the Deputy Secretary Government of Assam General Administration Department, Dispur 6, has sent a letter so-and-so dated 10/10/23. Peruse the letter dated so-and-so issued by the Deputy Secretary to the Government of Assam General Administration Secretariat Accounts Department, Dispur, Guwahati, informing the court that the DDO is not competent authority for deduction of monthly maintenance allowances from the salary of the opposite party. Hence, return the original copy of the letter issued from this court by so-and-so. Further, it has been informed that the Commissioner Secretary.
What do you want from the court?
I want, my lord, my salary may, the commissioner may comply with the order passed by the family court and
That the family court is in.
no, salary has been stopped, my lord, salary.
Family court has passed an order.
Yes,
Now, what is the next date fixed?
neither he has respond number one appeared before the family court or compliance order also
You
not.
want a mandamus to the
My lord.
secretary to go and appear before the family?
No, I'm not asking for madam. I am asking my salary may be released by complying the, my lord, then let him deduct the amount.
If the order of the family court is not complied with,
My lord.
family court powerless to.
I am not,
comply.
I am for the respondent. I am not, in family court, I am the respondent, opposite party.
Ah,
So my prayer before your lordship is that from my salary, family court, as family court directed 15,000 deduction, the commissioner may deduct the same and release my salary, my lord. My salary has been, my lord,
No, but whether the amount has been deducted or not,
not deducted. Amounts also not deducted, salary also not paid.
then why are you projecting the deduction of the amount from your account? You are aggrieved by non-release of your salary.
Yes, my prayer is that, my lord.
There is that, but you're submitting with regard to the family court order.
My prayer is that my salary may be released, my lord. My prayer is that, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Nayok. Why are you putting the person giving?
Okay, Lordship, one order has been passed by the principal judge,
that
family court one.
The grievance is that our salary has not been paid.
But where from your Lordship will arrive at a conclusion that there is no other reason for which his salary has been stopped.
That is what they are submitting. That is what you have to file your
If
instruction.
on the basis of her submission only,
you
this
get
case
your
can be decided.
instructions, then
That is what I am submitting.
You get your instruction
That is what I.
as to what is the reason for not release of salary.
Yes, sir. That is the.
So,
Early date will fix, my lord.
hardly date, okay. What is the next date before the family court?
Next date. My lord, next date was fixed, my lord, on 2/2/24 for report. That day, family court, my lord, no report was received, my lord. Then 1/3/24. 1/3/24.
Steps. You are not giving up to date. The latest orders will have to have been and heard learned counsel for the party. Advance of the petition that he's what? He's an employee of
Forget employee under aspect number 1.
grade 4 employee under respondent number 1. It is submitted that he has not been released, he has not received his salary since which month?
January 2024.
January 2024. No reasons have been furnished by the respondent, that's why the salary has not. According to the learned planning council appearing for GAD.
Yes, sir.
GAD.
Yes, sir.
GAD. Mr. Nayak,
1 and 2, Lord.
representing respondent 1 and then the instruction that their effect. Notice at this stage is not issued. However, extra copy will be furnished within the course of. Can you furnish extra copy?
I have already furnished extra.
After that, one more. You have already furnished.
2 copies already, my lord.
Oh.
1 service and 1 extra copy.
Lordship, SC GAD may be directed to reflect in the cost list.
Registry will reflect the name of planning council GAD. Matter to be listed again on 29th April.
Lord.
Much of it.
It. It.
May I please,
Yes.
may I please, Lordship, matter relates to regarding non-release of increments, Lordship, due to the petitioner since 1998. So initially, the petitioner was working at upper primary school. In the year 2018, the school were amalgamated to high secondary level, Lordship. Was a similarly situated person as the present petitioner, present petitioner, Lordship, already got increments, Lordship.
But for parties to know. MSP Putari is for the respondent 1,
1, 2, and 4, your lordship.
harbor respondent 3. Standing council represent respondent knowledge of the party and to be listed after the return.
I'm like,
May I please read?
Yes.
The matter relates to my lord, suspension, my lord. The lordship will order at page 71, my lord.
Suspension.
My lord. The petitioner is the my lord, matron comes storekeeper in the my lord office of the superintendent at home for women, my lord. He was placed under suspension on my lord 21/11/23, my lord.
All right, heard. And,
Eight
Chakraborty appears for
All the respondents.
all respondents.
Not.
Since the government appears for within a period of 1 week to today, and to be listed after the schedule. Meanwhile, she says allow it able to the
My lord, the instruction as regards review of the my lord suspension.
in response to the court, steps taken to review mentioned by the next
My lord, lordship may fix a returnable date otherwise.
fixed return date. 15th of May.
Hello.
My lord, in this case, my lord, petitioner was my lord labor, master of labor. He was regularized, but my lord, only because of deduction of 6 years, my lord, he cannot be able to get his my lord pension, my lord. But as matter has been already disposed of, similar matter, my lord. Annexure 6, my lord. Sanjita Roy, that 6 years deduction is
Yes, PWD, who's for PWD? PWD,
in terms of the my lord, same my lord. The order dated my lord 23/1/12. Yes.
of the cross. You have retired in the meantime
Yes, my lord, retired.
because of the 6 years. Claims to have received lesser than pension. and-
Annexure 6, page 29.
The- help with the deduction of service or the calculation of at the time of express. Back. Same. They due was held by by Philip Ford, the connected member. Yes, Mr. Nayak. Not. Appears to be covered. नाम लिखना है.
Just one thing, Lordship, to your Lordship's information. Lordship Sanjita Rao is not now holding the field, Lordship. One order judgment has been passed by the Supreme Court, where only the period that is deficit that can be counted, that has been held by the Supreme Court.
You have
Right now, Lordship, I'm not having that judgment because in this case also, Lordship, my name is not appearing. Lordship, initially government decided to deduct 6 years. In Sanjita Rao court,
you find out, we take it up at 2 p.m.
Lordship.
2 p.m.
Yeah, please. move.
Yes.
Hello, the petitioners are working as their husband and wife and working in the central as a police force, both as head constables. Normally in the summer change transfer, lordship will kindly
at page 16, serial number 9. The petitioner has been transferred from Guwahati to 60 Battalion. Page number 9, my lord.
Page number
9, 16, my lord.
Huh?
16, 16, my lord. Serial number 9 is the petitioner number 1.
61.
16, my lord. 16.
116. Yes.
Serial number 9 is the petitioner, my lord. This transfer order, my lord, on receipt of this transfer order, he preferred a representation at page 17. If lordship will kindly have page 17A on the next. Page 17A, paragraph D.
A. 1 minute.
Paragraph D, my lord.
Yes.
Serial number 9 is the first petitioner at page 16.
Page 16, serial number 9.
9 is the
And
first
where is the
petitioner.
petitioner number 2?
Madam, petition number 2 has not been transferred, madam. She has been, she's serving in a Mahila battalion. She has not been transferred. The petition number 1 has been transferred by this order, madam. Madam, at
So why
page-
the
Madam,
why
she is
she
a petitioner because madam, they had applied for couple posting. Once this order was issued, they had applied for a couple posting. Now, lordship would kindly have page number 17.
17?
17, my lord, at paragraph A, I had stated that we have two twins. We have twin children who are now in class 11. We've just been elevated to class 11. And my father is, I'm not, I don't have a mother. My father stays with me. He's 75 years old and he has a 90% chance of heart attack. Is what the medical reports are there. I have attached. Page 71A, my lord, I had asked for, we had prayed for a couple posting at paragraph D, lordship will find either to Bangalore, Amethi, Pune. The rest of the battalions, my lord, are rapid action force battalions. They are hard postings. What we prayed for was, my lord, that we can be, if we can be accommodated as couples in any of those postings.
But you have already indicated
Yes, ma'am.
Bangalore, Amethi,
Amethi,
Center, Pune,
Pune,
so and so.
102, 106, 103, 194. These are all rapid action forces, my lord. If we cannot be accommodated in a group center, the rapid action force postings will also do together so that we stay at one place, our children stay for 2 years at one place with us till they pass out class 12, and I can take care of my father, who's actually on the verge of, my lord, problems.
Yes.
Now, my lord, this has been rejected. Lordship will find it page 18. One simple word, rejected. At page 18, lordship will find on the 5th of March, it was rejected. Now, this office memorandum governing transfers of spouses, lordship will find in the next page at page 19. At page 20. Point number Roman 3.
Yes. Where is your counterpart?
This case is related to MR Odhikari, he is under medical.
Then?
But can it be taken immediately after vacation?
But what I was suggesting is,
He's under the order of transfer.
these transfer orders will not be given effective till the elections, at least. That is what we've been told. Will not be posted up as of now.
Very good.
So, my lord, if lordship is the question of interim order open, my lord, when they come up with a reply, why we cannot be posted together, my lord?
Whereby. See, that as per the law, 3001/24, petition for the serial number 9. Who is the serial number 9?
60 battalion.
060 battalion. Else, he has three children who are in class 11. And their father suffering from serious cardiac issue. Therefore, personal requesting for
Couple posting.
couple posting. In
My lord.
the choices that is indicated in para within bracket B, small b, representing name, group center Bangalore, slash center Amethi, slash group center May, slash 10, slash 106, slash 103, slash 194, RAF, LA. It submitted that this representative was rejected by the review order dated by 3/23 without assigning it. It submitted that several other similarly situated persons are generally considered for couple in situation as similar to that. The case of the and no reason in support thereof. When it comes that and submitted on behalf of the WCDC,
My lord,
that MROD
my lord,
that is in interest of
my lord.
is not well.
He has been bitten by a rabbit dog. Difficult.
In interest after one thing,
My lord.
we take it after election.
So, my lord, otherwise, my lord, what I was praying that they will not release me without leave of the court, my lord.
Because I meantime, that not be-
And they can consider in the meantime also.
tell us
My lord,
My lord,
nine.
let it be on 22nd, my lord.
Huh? Let it be nine. Election में नहीं release नहीं
Fine.
नहीं election भी किया नहीं भी वो है क्या ना intent पे नहीं let it be on the 9th, my lord. 7th is
so
the
then
election.
we'll have to issue notice. Why keep it without how okay,
My lord. Let notice go, my lord, then.
we'll accept not have this notice.
I can appear, my lord, because I am also a CGC, my lord.
They are right. Okay. The meantime,
My lord, it will not be a bar for them to consider it. If they consider it and allow it.
tendency of the bar shall not be consider the
Obligement. No,
May it please your lordship. Lordship, the issue pertaining to lordship non-registration of FIR, my lord, by dispute PS in spite of my lord disclosing the my lord cognizable offense. My lord, and the law is my lord,
wait while you read.
my lord, I have already,
Civil
my lord,
asserts, my lord.
my lord, when my lord, my
Because there are provisions that CRP.
I have already, my lord, exercised that, my lord, power, my lord. But in spite of all these, my lord, it has not been registered. My lord, my lord, on 5/2/2024, my lord, I have lost the FIR. Lordship will find that FIR at page 17. my lord. And my lord, then my lord, when this FIR was not registered, then my lord, I approached my lord under section 154(3) of the CRPC before the DCP, office of the DCP is Guwahati. My lord, that, my lord,
Why don't you file a complaint?
I have filed, my lord.
Huh.
Then, my lord, I have, my lord, when my lord 154(3) application file, they did no, they have not taken any action. Then, my lord, kindly turn to my lord, Annexer 3, page 37. I have approached before the learned CJM, my lord. And my lord, by under section 156(3) CRPC. And my lord, learned CJM, my lord, Special Judicial Magistrate Assam, page 44 annexure 4. My lord, I am reading, my lord. 6/3/2024, case record received or transferred for disposal. Complainant is present, heard the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the complainant. It is submitted on affidavit by the complainant that he went to the officer in charge of Dispur police station to file a FIR, but the case was not registered by police. Finding no other alternative, he approached before the Deputy Commissioner of Police East Guwahati, but the police official did not take any legal action against the accused person. Hence, the complainant has approached this court. Upon hearing the learned counsel for the complainant and upon perusal of the complaint, it appears that there is a need of police investigation in respect of instant case. Hence, the OC of Dispur PS is directed to register an FIR, investigate into the same either by himself or through a subordinate officer, and submit report in final form. The original complaint along with a copy of this order be sent to OC of Dispur PS for necessary action. Although in spite of this direction, my lord, my FIR was not registered, my lord. That is why, my lord, I am before your lordship. Because, my lord, as per my lord, Supreme Court in Lalita Kumari case, my lord, it was specifically said the registration of FIR is mandatory under section 154 of the code if the information discloses commission of a cognizable offense and no preliminary inquiry is permissible in such situation. So, my lord, police is bound to register my case, my lord.
Already CGM has ordered, Malad. He can again go for the CGM for complaining that your order is not complied with.
But under what provision, my lord?
No, he can approach the CGM again, my lord. By this order, it is not.
File an application.
Yes.
But my lord, under what provision, my lord?
Provision.
Provision over necessary.
This order has not been complied with. Bring the notice of the CK.
Yes.
That it is not complied with the spite of order, not complied.
But my lord, but there is no any such provision, my lord. This is why, my lord.
Inherent powers are there for every court.
But my lord, but in, because my lord, my lord, the complaint, my lord, that has already been original, everything has been original sent, lord. So, my lord, there is no any, my lord, provision, my lord, as such, my lord, to approach again before the, my lord, learned special,
What provision
learned
is there?
CJM, my
The
lord.
case is pending before the CGM. What
No,
provision
no,
is
case
there?
is not pending, my lord. He has,
It is not under final order.
no, he has, case is not pending, my lord. He has directed to register it, investigate and submit in final form.
But the direction is already there.
Yes, already there.
You have to read the notice if it is not taken. When was this part? 6/3.
6/3, my lord.
And how do we know that it has not been done?
My lord, I have inspected the, my lord, general register, my lord. And also I have approached before the learned, my lord, of the officer in charge, my lord. Even after passing of direction from the CJM, my lord, I have approached DCP also, my lord. They have not given any, my lord, positive response.
And matter related to my lord civil nature, recovery of the area rent.
No, my lord, no.
Please get your instructions.
Telephoning instruction, my lord, whether they have registered or not, my lord.
No, my lord.
That this can be, my lord, disposed of, my lord.
Today I cannot do it.
It's not functioning as a out office of the art. That you want to know what is the status of the FIR. That's not.
No, I am not on that, my lord. I am not on that.
You are aggrieved by the fact that your FIR has not been.
Yes.
We are repeatedly saying, get an order that your subsequent application is not maintainable. Pass orders.
But my lord, there is no.
You have, that's what I'm saying. You go and find it. Have to find it before you get again. That is order, in spite of finding it, in spite of Supreme Court order, it has not been registered.
Yes, he can
File
agitate
an
it.
application. You done it? No.
My lord, I have not done because, my lord, there is no any such provision, my lord. That's all.
What
Provision.
There is no provision. It's the same provision under which you have to do. The court has directed the authorities to register, investigate,
Yes.
submit. Now, how will the court be aware whether it has been registered or not? That's something. It is not been done.
Because, my lord, when a case has been registered, my lord, then immediately, my lord, police is required to send the original final FIR to the, my lord, PI court, my lord.
Right, so you make an application that in spite of this order.
Yes.
Not been done,
Then definitely,
either your application will be rejected or not accepted. Come to us.
definitely the CJM will take action, my lord.
What you're asking us to do, get information from the public through the government. office. And you come before the court, please try to protect you have correctly approved the magistrate. Now that order having been passed, you have to bring it to notice to court that one not sending the order having been passed. It's not been registered.
And even if the police OC is not accepting his FIR, then he can approach to the SP, not DCP.
My lord,
Then
in
police are
Guwahati, my
2010
lord,
SSP.
DCP, my lord.
Mr. Here, SP and DCP are irrelevant. He has approached the higher office. They have not taken. Yes, so what do you want to do?
Let him first approach to the CJM, my lord.
I will file a application, my lord, before the CJ, my lord.
It gives you liberty to come back.
Or my lord may keep it pending, my lord, if he in the
Not
meantime.
keep it pending.
Dispose.
But then keep it pending. If you want to fight, withdraw it. You don't need to come back. Hard done. Come. Withdraw the and put the photo from the respect of board particular. We are getting one. That liberty. You can come back with it. We are giving you liberty to come back.
All right.
Obliged, my lord.
My lord, the connected matter was taken up in court number 10, and that matter has been posted on 19. Along with this, may I pray that matter be listed with WPC 1975 of 24.
Lordship,
How two matters are listed?
yes.
So in two different courts, they were listed, my lord.
What is this matter of?
This matter, my lord, may I submit? I'm not pressing the matter now because I will take it together with that matter on 19th.
That's all right. But
That's
I'd
all.
like to know why the matter is listed here in the. first
My lord,
place. It's something to do with for cooperative side.
yes, lord.
Fishery.
No. It has to the registrar's order. The registrar had interfered with one part while was silent with the other part.
Is it something with salary?
Nothing. That's what me.
How is it listed here?
No, it was made a mention yesterday. my lord. Yesterday mention was made in court number 10. my lord. Somehow, I have no clue, my lord, no idea. Let the matter be listed with WBC 1975. Along with
Lordship may not take this
197.
matter. This is different because his petition is not maintainable. In fact, I will submit on the next day.
Absolutely.
My lord may not take this matter.
No, this is
because
already
other-
directed. It is directed.
Reporting is up. You are a petitioner there.
No, respondent there.
Submitted. I think. Another matter. Mr. Court report.
Respondent.
Put the matter.
WBC 1975 of 24. It's listed on 19, fixed on 19.
Rates me very bad. And correct.
For motion. Obliged, lordship.
A pleasant.
My lord, in the meantime, affidavits are tagged, they have gone through it. So I have replied. In fact, in the given facts and circumstances where the similarly situated persons of other districts are receiving the great pay, as the petitioners have prayed for, and everything is on record, I don't think that at this stage the finances affidavit is necessary. If lordship permits me, I will submit.
Yes, what do you think?
I have sought for the
So in
inspection.
tell, in a nutshell, tell us what is the matter?
Lordship,
My lord, the department is taking my lord 4 weeks time, my lord. Because this is a pay anomaly recommendation matter. So
That
so
they-
finance affidavit, my lord, will be required.
Lordship, that anomaly report is itself in the cash record, Lordship. That is, I have annexed everything.
Tell us
So,
what is your case? What is
Lordship,
your matter?
yes, Lordship. Ah, petitioners before your Lordship are provincialized teacher of pre-senior madrasa. That kindly have a look at Annexure 1, page 50. Every order, all 25 petitioners order I have annexed. 27th December 2013.
You are not been given the great pay
Great pay.
at the
After the anomaly committee's report, anomaly committee's report is Annexure 12, page 72. Simple case, Lordship. Other district they are getting. Only Barpeta district is deprived of. They are not
where is
getting.
the anomaly committee report?
Report page 72, my lord, Annexure 12. Everything is on record. Nothing to be disputed here. Already I have filed reply to the director's affidavit and deceased affidavit. Lordship, page 73, Lordship. Recommendations on crucial issues. Anomaly in grade pay of graduate teachers. At present, we are having the status of ME school teacher. Those things are gone, pre-senior madrasa.
You are what? Arts graduate or science graduate?
We are also, I have given in the writ petition itself, everything I have stated.
I know you have stated everything. I'm asking you, are you? science
Lordship,
graduate?
we are science graduate, arts graduate.
Huh.
Some of them are, of course, undergraduate, but with their qualification, that is DLED. So, three categories are of the writ petitioner. At page 41, we have name wise we have given, and the qualification they have earned, those records are also in the writ petition itself. So, case is Lordship, we are still at bottom, 6,200. We should be either 8,700 or 7,400 or 6,800. Three categories we have. But at not any rate, we will get 6,200. From in page 41 of the writ
You are
petition,
what? You are the, how many petitioners are there?
25.
25. Now all these 25 are what, trained graduate teachers?
That I have stated in, kindly come to page 16 of the writ petition, para 3. Para 3, Lordship, rate petition. Page 16. That the petitioner begs to state that although they are aggrieved a common cause of action in non-receipt of proper grade paper despite. But for convenience sake, it is stated writ petitioner number 1 to 12 are 10 graduate teacher, writ petitioner number 13 to 23 are FM and Hindi trained graduate teacher, whereas writ petitioner number 24 and 25 are trained undergraduate teacher.
So what is the grade pay you are getting now?
Only 60 to 100 as
60
the
to 100.
that we
claim?
got
What
in
is your
2013.
What is your claim?
So we should get great pay. Kindly come to page 76, Annex 13. This notification and the subsequent notification. After anomaly committee's report, Finance Pay Research Department Dispur. Kindly have a look at page 76. Lord.
76, yes?
Yes. Annex 13.
Yes.
So kindly come to page 78, relevant portion.
Yes.
ME school, 10 graduate teachers, 8,700. Then
8,700,
great pay.
page 72.
Page 78, Lordship.
78.
70. Only relevant portion. I am pointing.
78 in the chart.
Yes, yes.
You're referring to the chart.
Yes, yes, Lordship. 10 graduate teacher, 87. 8,700. Then untrained graduate
No,
teacher.
this is as applicable to science graduate, trained graduate. Okay.
This anomaly committee's report is not making any discrimination between science graduate or arts graduate. That your lordship already knows. Then untrained graduate teacher, including trained graduate teacher, 6,800. And remaining teachers without any training, we are still at the stage of 6,200. When our service was provincialized in 2013, that grade has been paid. But in other district already.
On what basis do you say that you are trained?
Yes.
No, on what basis? Do you
Oh, the documents are, we have annexed in the rate petition.
You give us a chart.
Oh, that chart is in page 41. Page 41 of the rate petition, Lordship. Everything meticulously I have prepared for convenience sake.
41.
We are entitled from which date? That also I have written with effect. And those qualifications, those are everything in the cash record.
So what is USA ME school?
Oh, ME school, currently they are having the status of ME school.
What is USA ME school?
Oh, USA ME school. Because earlier they were pre-senior madrasa, but now they are USA ME madrasa. That is page 185, Lordship. Nomenclature has been changed.
So these are all the petitioners.
These are all the petitioners. Director sent a letter, kindly come to page 183, Annex 28. This.
So all of you are not trained.
All of you.
17 is not trained.
17 untrained graduate. Untrained, but graduate teacher.
Untrained graduate.
And so he will get accordingly.
Right.
So 3 slabs, either 8,700 or 74 or 68, but not any rate 60 to 100.
Yes, Mr. Bhattacharya.
So,
We'll
and
have to find out whether they fall in which category and give them different pay.
in other district lordship they are giving. I can.
Only if the running commentary stops, then I can submit.
Lordship, I must satisfy your lordship. Kindly pay 150 lordship.
কোর্টে মুখ ফুটি আছে
After this, page 150. Yes. Page 150, Lordship, Annex 19. Article 14, Lordship, that's
150 years.
Yes. The Office of Inspector of Schools, Kamrup District, Circle Dodora. In pursuance of the Government Finance Pay Research Department, Dispur wide notification number 48/2018. That is the Gazette notification, page 80 in the rate petition. The following trained graduate teachers, untrained graduate teacher, undergraduate trained teachers of senior madrasa, pre-senior madrasa.
Training, what training?
Training DLED,
DLA.
DL. They are not B.Ed, of course. Some of them have done B.Ed, but they will get only DLED.
Okay.
Pre-senior madrasa, undergraduate.
Now, now let me make the queries to the
A
respondent.
lot.
Yes. Yes.
Now, my lord, the petitioners are claiming, my lord, great pay in terms of the qualification they have acquired, including, my lord, professional and training qualification. To that extent, my lord, the petitioners are relying the recommendations of the anomaly committee pursuant to constitution of the pay commission, which my lord has just now seen. Now, my lord, here is a case where the because they are employees of the education department. Education department has filed an affidavit whereby the claims of the petitioners have been disputed and negated.
Where?
Yes. That perhaps, my lord, my learned colleague will be in a better position. But I can't-
Yes. Filed, we have also replied also.
They have filed a reply which I have received just today morning, my lord. So what will be the implications? What will be the?
What have you disputed?
Though, my lord, we have filed an affidavit, but we have not stated clearly why they have not been given the graduate scale of pay as compared to the science trained graduate teacher, my lord.
Nothing. You have not stated anything.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
It is not.
How do you say they have disputed? They have said nothing.
No, therefore, my lord, they are relying.
You only have to verify whether their claims of being trained
So
are
that,
supported.
no, so therefore,
That is to be done by the education department.
absolutely. Now, whether, my lord, within the claims of the petitioners would come within the ambit of, my lord, the pay commission recommendations as well as, my lord, the anomaly recommendations. Now, this is the precise issue. To that extent, my lord, I am praying, my lord, for some time because I have communicated to the department. They are seeking some further time, my lord.
No, we are not disallowing your time, but what we want to know is to what extent, what information are you going to get? You are not disputing this pay commission, anomaly committee.
No.
So anomaly committee has given 3 categories. Whether they fall in either any of these categories is an exercise to be undertaken by the department.
Absolutely correct. But as of now, my lord, I am going by the statements and environments made in the writ petition, as well as the materials, my lord, annexed thereto. Now, what will be the views of the finance department? That precisely can be known only on filing of affidavit, my lord. That was my respectful submission. But my learned colleague has started, my lord, arguing on merits, my lord. That is my difficulty, my lord.
But opportunities were granted earlier. You don't
No,
file.
yes, earlier opportunity granted, my lord, we had communicated.
You can't wait for.
At
return
least
to
4
file.
dates were given, at least 4
This
from
matter has
November.
been pending from 23.
Yes, my lord.
As far as we are concerned, it is within a small ambit.
Yes.
The decision is to be taken by the authority verifying their claim. That's all. Now, what extent the sanction of the finance department is required, it should have been a part of the record. It's not there.
Absolutely, absolutely. My lord, that is why, my lord, I have placed, my lord, the response received from the department. They are seeking.
Department is giving an omnibus 4 weeks time for submission of parent reply.
I'm pursuing.
Already from November onwards,
I'm
4 dates
pursuing-
given.
Pursuing with the department, my lord.
We'll give you some time till 30th April.
Lordship 30, on 30, let me check.
You see,
Yes,
30th is a good date for you?
yes.
It's okay. 30th, list on 30th, by which date the respondent, finance department will complete their instructions and apprise the court
Sir, I will file an affidavit. Lordship may
It does
kindly
not
indicate.
The government made petition.
Oh,
I
at
file
least,
the counter affidavit. if
My lord.
so it by-
Lordship, at least sometime before, so that I can file a reply also, 7 days before at least. By,
No, in between,
after
my lord,
vacation.
in between, my lord.
Why are you apprehending that you will need to file a reply? Don't file a reply.
Lordship,
So let him file it on 30th.
Lord-
List the matter on 30th April.
I'm so obliged.
absolutely not necessary, Lordship. Everything is on record.
May I please, Lord? The last order, Lordship, Council Order Respondent number 6 was directed to advise the court about the status of pension proposal.
Who's for 6?
Lordship, earlier occasion, মানে পবিত্র পরিবার তো that
Yes, Director of Pension, Mr. Chakraborty. Some fresh proposal was submitted by BTC. BTC, any instructors?
Lordship, on 23/11/2023, we have sent, the first proposal has been sent to the Director of Pension.
Yeah, Mr. Chakraborty? No instructor?
No, send instruction, Lordship, after vacation, Lordship.
No, after vacation, get it. After vacation,
Lordship, that may be fixed.
prayer for obtaining further prayer for made by the Lord. 89.
Public.
Public.
My lord, petitioner is a retired government employee.
May I please, your lordship. In this case, lordship, the government of education department, lordship, has submitted the pension proposal through offline mode, lordship. There is a notification from the pension and public grievance department that all pension papers should be submitted through online mode, lordship. And in terms of that, lordship, we have given a reminder on 1st of April to the department to forward the pension document through online mode, lordship. But till that, lordship, they have not submitted.
My lord, for last 1 year, same submission have been made by both the sides, my lord. Last occasion also, Honorable Court directed the education department to submit the proposal within 10 days. Prior to that, also, my lord, they have received, one party has not received.
And lordship, on last 1st April, lordship, we have given a letter to the department, lordship, to forward the pension proposal through online mode, lordship. After Bihu.
Submitted by Mr. Arkin. As per which instructor?
Lordship. I've received the instruction, lordship. This is also my instruction, lordship. And I've just now talked with the office, my lord.
As per instructor. As per communication. Dated 15. As per instructor. Education department. But it says that
Lordship, this is a letter of 15 to Lordship. On 1st April, that letter we have given a reminder, Lordship, to the department, Lordship,
Is it submitted or is it submitted by online?
through online mode. They have to upload in a through online mode, my lord.
Pension paper.
Through online mode.
Online mode.
Yes.
But submitted. Matter of certificate of midnight, filing date, the setting up the pension, as well as the setting up the online mode.
Lordship.
Even or find that the department has not heard the setting up special orders may be passed. This according.
Problem. May I please, your lord? Lordship, in this matter, tribal affairs department was asked to take instruction, Lordship, about the progress.
Lordship, we have received instruction
What is the instruction?
regarding the
নতুন বলতে পারতাই 23rd November.
Budget allocation has been made, but sanction is not done. Sanction,
we have not received further instruction.
not gone through this. It is submitting.
We have, Lordship, we have an objection, Lordship. Lordship, proposal was sent on 23rd of November, Lordship. And we are facing tremendous financial hardship, Lordship. We don't have pension also.
By adding council that budget allocation for the year 2024-25 for an amount of 5.4 lakh have been allocated payment of areas that damage serving employees of as well as illegal areas employees. Directly submit. the Then after that, nothing.
Otherwise, Lordship may fix a timeline, Lordship.
Then last,
On last 2, 3 occasions also, they have taken the same load.
or we retain one copy. A copy of the same is retained in. Copy of the same instructions are in the report, in its report. Let the matter then again.
29th of April.
Take 29. All right, 29th of April. You're appearing for PTPC.
Yes, Lordship. G's farm.
After the appearance. You can take back this communication.
Lordship may direct them to take progress report, Lordship.
You will apprise the court of the next.
Otherwise, Lordship, it will cause delay, Lord. Okay. Deep level.
23 lot of Mr. Gogoi, he have received one instruction that I have already been given. And also, my lord, my lord did inform me that the file, the search sheet file, which was missing, lordship, well, that has been recovered. My lord, that is the better to, my lord, that Mr. Gogoi, he will, my lord.
When was it recovered? After we passed the order?
Might have been, I don't know. Mr. Gogoi told me that, my lord, that this has been recovered. His legs in some other courts. Wait, wait.
But last Saturday, respect of the report. Communication. We expect that as per the information available, yes, I started however, that it, however, copy of the case record or copy of the chart sheet, I think all of them, yes.
Your Lordship, that IO informed me that Sarchit already submitted that, everything that is there, my lord. And
From where has he got?
now that over phone, I talk with that IO, my lord.
He has given a report saying that it was filed on so and so date.
My lord.
He has also said that there is no copy of case record or copy of charge sheet at the bottom of the. So from where has he collected?
No, that is over phone, I talked with that IO, my lord. IO says that now that file is available in the CGM court. That is verbal, my lord. That is verbal.
You get another report. Get a full report. What exactly are they saying? Are they saying this information says it was filed on so and so date?
Yes.
Now then he says that there is no file at the or charge sheet available at the office.
PI office, yes.
It does not indicate from where you got this information.
No, he has given me it from their record, my lord, that police station record, my lord.
You take a record for case record,
Yes.
the CD, case diary,
No, but they maintain a register, my lord.
different register
Yes,
for respect of filing of charge sheet.
yes.
But what is the status at the CJM court?
That is, I do not know, my lord, because I received this information from IO, that is police, my lord. They have sent the diary to the PI office, then CGM court, my lord. It may be there,
2014,
my lord.
in 2014 or recently?
No, that exact, that it is
2014.
14, yes, 14 years.
Nothing is available as per the report.
But CGM has already clearly stated, my lord, there is no record available in respect of the charge sheet process. Even of CGM has deliberately made an effort to find out the charge sheet process at the PI court itself.
There may be duplicate copy in that police station, my lord. I do not know that. Normally, they are preparing 3 copies. That is
Why don't you ask him and ask him to get the information precisely what we want?
yes.
He has understood what we want. Why is he dilly-dallying?
No, they are saying that we have already deposited. That is in the court.
It is nothing new, my lord.
See, if there are copies available, whatever has been deposited is all right. But at least you make a statement here that we have a copy. If required, we can furnish.
My lord.
Instead, what he has said is we are unable to provide a copy as case diary and all these documents have been submitted.
Submitted to-
There are no other copies.
Yes.
And the CD, according to the CJF, not available.
As per the order dated lordship, presently.
But over phone, he informed me that now that record is available. I do not know, my lord. That is my lord Bharvel.
Where is it available?
Yeah, my lord, it is not available in the police station, lordship. It is not available in the CGM court. And it is
Where
not
is it?
available in the PI court, lordship.
You can ask him again. You can tell us at 2 p.m.
Ayo.
Huh?
I may call him.
You call him and ask him and inform us at 2 p.m.
Yes.
as to what is the status, where is it available?
My lord.
If it is available, then we need to know what is the
Yes,
status.
yes.
If not, then we'll pass an order here
My lord.
at 2 p.m.
Thank you, my lord. Even also, lordship, there is no any statutory law, lordship, which can withhold pension, lordship. There is no any statutory law, lordship, which can withhold pension. There is also law, lordship.
You are a servant, government servant.
এটা এইফালে কোনো মানুহ নাই মোৰ এনেকুৱা
So after section,
These are my lord, executive instructions, lordship. But there is no any statutory law, lordship. Lordship, Supreme Court.
Yes.
May I please your lordship? This matter is regarding suspension, lordship. Last occasion, lordship, it was directed to produce the subsequent review order.
Lordship, one copy has been furnished, sir. Lastly, Lordship, it was extended on 8/4/2024, yesterday, day before yesterday, Lordship. Prior to that, it was in the month of January 2024, Lord. January.
You were suspended when?
On 18/3.
18/4.
18/3. 18/3. At least 18/3/2020.
Yes,
18/3.
Then, when was the first, your
Then Sir's memo was issued on 24/6, Lord.
18-3. So just a
3 days.
After 7 days.
7 days.
After expiry of third, it,
7 days after 3 months.
7 days after 3 months.
So is it a case for interference? Suspension.
Lordship, as per mandate of law, Lordship, as per and the law laid down by the Honorable Apex Court, it is ought to have been done
In which Apex Court judgment?
yeah, as that Ajay Kumar Chaudhary,
Ajay Kumar Chaudhary, you read para 22.
Lordship, in respect of para 22, my humble submission is that that is in concern with the facts of that case, Lordship.
Right.
If you read the para 21, Lordship,
21 is correct. But you see para 22, where it says that in that case,
Lordship,
now that the charge sheets have been issued, the court declined to.
Lordship, in my humble submission, para 21 is applicable. It is a general principle has been laid down, Lordship.
Right, it's laid down.
Lordship.
But can you read para 21 in isolation without any other paragraph? No. So, even in the case where these parameters are laid down, guidelines are laid down, the directions are laid down, and how reviewed and how to be interpreted. Even the fact of that case that para 22 that only the case not required.
Lordship, in my humble submission, paragraph 21 is applicable, and in fact, the provisions of the Assam Discipline and Appeal Rules Manual 2.1.8, Lordship. In my book, it is page 467. This book, Lordship. 2.1.8, page 467.
Yes.
The following principles and procedure with regard to suspension need strict compliance. Suspension should be resorted only in cases where so and major punishment is likely to be imposed. Next point, charges and statement of allegation should be served within 3 months from the date of suspension, failing which the government servant concerned should be reinstated. So in my case, 3 months period over on 17/6/2023, and thereafter they after 7 days they served the so-called notice, and in fact it was received by me on 3/7/2023. So in my humble submission, Lordship, since that Lordship,
Here,
4 years.
court held that not a punishment, but treating it as a punishment.
Lord.
Therefore, para guideline.
Lordship.
And by the time the matter was brought to the court or heard or decided by them, the disciplinary procedure.
Lordship.
Court held that this has already court one meter. If there is a case, you are correct that in 39 days have been done, not done.
Not done.
So done 7 days after. It is ground fair. Yes, but we are not.
So, Lordship, in my humble submission, Lordship, para 21 of the Ajay Kumar Chaudhary is applicable, and in fact, if we go by the Deepak Malik case, Lordship.
Give us the citation.
Lordship, I have an example. Paragraph 2010 2 SCC 222. In this case, CCA rules are applicable, which are perimeter with the rules of Assam Discipline and Service Rules. At paragraph 11, the case sought to be made on behalf of the petitioner Union of India as to the cause of delay in reviewing the respondent's case is not very convincing. Section 19(4) of the Administrative Tribunal Act 1985 speaks of abatement of proceeding once an original application under the said act was admitted. In this case, what is important that by operation of sub-rule 6 of Rule 10 of the Rules 1965 rules, the order of suspension should not survive after 90 days unless it is extended after review. Since admittedly the review has not been conducted within 90 days from the date of suspension, it become invalid after 90 days. Since neither there was any review nor extension.
Show us Rule 10 of the PTS.
Same judgment, Lordship, paragraph 2. In that judgment also it has been quoted, Lord.
Paragraph 2.
Rule 10.
10.
Yeah, Rule
It has
10
been
C
quoted.
and 10.
Yes.
Lordship.
Kindly come to Rule 6. Rule
10-6.
no, 2-6. Sorry, yeah, 10-2-6. Or is it 10-6? 10-6.
10-6.
10-6.
An order of suspension that is quoted, Lordship. An order, Lordship.
So this is a specific provision in the rule.
There, in
You
fact,
show us, is there a rule like that in Assam?
Lordship, in my humble submission rule, the rule has been shown 2.1.8.
The manual.
Lordship. But same perimeter provisions, and in fact, the
There is no perimeter provision. That's the whole point.
in fact, in I have the judgment I have relied AK Udhavak in that judgment also Deepak Mali has been examined, Lordship, and has been discussed at paragraph 10. And after those discussions in AK Udhavak case, Lordship, these two conditions are mentioned, has been laid down. Paragraph 19, which I am relying also AK Udhavak 2019 1 GLT 804.
What are the facts available here?
Lordship, in this case also the person was placed under suspension for a long period, Lordship, and thereafter
do you say, Mr. Nayak?
So far as Deepak Mali is concerned, Lordship, this judgment is clearly not applicable in our case because the provisions are different, Lordship. Lordship may kindly see section 10(7).
No, we are not on Deepak Mali, we are on the Deepak.
Lordship, so far as this 1.2.1.8, Lordship, one paragraph, Lordship, I am placing. This is paragraph 100, passed in WPC number 6842/2018. Up to Rahman. Up to Rahman. Paragraph 100, Lord.
Oh, which judgment?
This is W up to Rahman. Ultimately, it was held that ultimately it was held that Ajay Kumar Chaudhary will apply in case of 6.2 also. But this I mean paragraph, Lord. This is very important, Lord. Lord.
If I have not
And
done so that.
so far as that Ajay Kumar Chaudhary judgment is concerned, Lordship, there the suspension was in the year 2011.
When you make submissions before the court, I'm sorry, when you make submissions before the court, in referring to judgments of this type, you must come out with a complete, all the cases which are referred here, not only the cases that you are in your favor and you will not reflect the cases which are not in your favor.
No, no, I am not doing that.
Therefore, said you are not familiar with the judgment.
No, no, I have not named.
We'll not finish it today. We are saying that this is a judgment. Is it a single bench or division bench?
My Lord, there's encasing.
Single bench.
Yes.
Pursuant to that, I think there is another division bench.
Lordship, after by following this judgment, taking note of this judgment, Lordship, in many cases I have got relief from this honorable court, Lordship, wherein I have been given opportunity of reviewing after 90 days.
What we are saying is that pursuant to this, I think there is one more division. The same line. It's not a mathematical decision. Just 3 months then, and from day after you have to sort of get the benefit immediately on the 91st day. This is what your case is. 90 days, yes. 91st day, must.
Lordship,
yes. In CCS, there is a specific provision.
Lordship.
90 days.
It's not there.
In the rule itself, it is not there, but in the manual, it is there.
Manual, not a rule.
Lordship, those are not rule, but in judgments of this honorable court, those manuals has been referred, Lordship. So therefore, I relied upon them.
What we are just trying to tell you, when you make a submission, you have to rely on all the materials which are available.
Lordship.
Not selective. Because you see, you have to raise your argument from the fact that suspension is not a punishment. In Ajay Chaudhary's case, I said Ajay Chaudhary is a punishment. This place under suspension. No review, no TP. Months together, years together. He had no hope. Why? Because the rule says that. There the court said, these are the parameters. That case, court said, already now, focus has been therefore, don't get it. We take up the matter again. You go to the judgment.
Lordship.
Let us have it on.
Third of May.
Not third of
Much.
Yeah.
Well, in this case, respondent is supposed to file affidavit.
Yes, affidavit.
Yes, my lord, affidavit draft is ready, my lord. They are sending for vetting, my lord. I will file it, my lord, after review.
Don't understand why.
No, my lord, actually what happened last occasion,
What is this vetting?
vetting, actually, my lord, we have received a letter from them. They are asking us to send the affidavit to them. Actually, we are requesting them to come to our office. They are saying, no, you send, that's why our communication get, my lord.
Not for us to say, but you are the council, you decide what goes in the affidavit. what
I will file that, draft is ready.
Submitted by the senior governor.
Two weeks, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
They may be.
Let it be on uh, thirty May.
Right, 13th May. File your.
Okay.
Regarding salary, those file a affidavit proposal present, my lord. I have already filed the affidavit on 4th of April. It is pending since 2013. She is a single lady, my lord, she is suffering from heart pain. She told me suffering from
Have you
also.
have you received a copy of the affidavit?
Yes, I have filed. I have received mine.
What do you say in the affidavit?
Lordship may kindly say para 15, Lordship. Sanction proposal for rupees so and so for the pending monthly area salary to the
The process.
petitioner.
The process.
Yes, Lordship.
How long will it take? How long is it likely to take?
2022 also, same thing.
You complete it within a period of 4 weeks.
Lord,
You dispose it off.
Oh,
just a matter after 4 weeks. Lord.
We are closing it.
no, my lord, that regulation period, pension is also there. It is a part of pending salary.
Yes.
That we have to file affidavit.
Then what have they stated regarding your
Regulation, they have said that proposal is sent by them regarding lordship page 74, para 4. They have said it is admitted fact. Para 4.
4 of the affidavit?
No, my read petition, page 74.
No, you go to the affidavit.
Affidavit, they have said it is regarding that person. They have admitted.
Wait.
Agreed, para 13. My paragraph 22.
So there are 20.
You can question they have stated that regulation of sanction research officer. In this is they have nothing to offer comment. Surveillance service. If Lord, kindly go through the page 74, it will be clear. Man.
Yes. But there's nothing about regularization. Their affidavit is not regularized.
They have not said anything, only comment.
There are plain lordship, my affidavit, page 77. But the deponent is to state that in the government notification dated 2nd March 2011, government
And you don't
allowed.
want to file a reply also.
Yes,
No, I will
lordship.
file it, I just, I have received it.
Yes,
Even
if I
for
reply,
If you
lordship.
wanted to file a reply,
Then I will file
wait for
it.
it.
Yes, one.
Let a counsel to the petitioner submit that, like, file a reply affidavit, the affidavit. Right. Let the matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Date, date.
After 3 weeks, make a mention. After 1 to 5 weeks.
29 lordship, we have received the instructions, lordship. Within a short period, we will file our affidavit, lordship.
Planning Council Health submits that instructions have been received and will file. Mr. P.K. Munir, Planning Council, see for my accountant general. Accountant general.
My lord, accountant general, but
Send it to
You
my
are in this
accountant
matter.
general.
yes, I'm in this matter.
This is 29 item number.
Yes, you are in
Motion stays, my
accountant
lord, A Hassan appeared.
Huh?
Motion stays.
Because
A Hassan appeared.
he's been changed. I am appearing on this case, my lord. 29th I came.
No, 29, 28 of prepare করেছিলেন নাকি?
No, it is 29th I came. Somebody could repeat. 29th.
দুইটা।
In 29th, my lord, whatever, lordship may
The
peruse.
notice has not been issued.
Notice not yet.
Notice may be issued, my lord. Here the question is coming, recovery is to be made, not to be made under Mr. Rafiq Masjid case, my lord. Case is little bit different. Here we have sent letter, we have sent back, lordship may peruse.
So you file your affidavit.
Yes, yeah, okay, my lord. Yes, my lord, that is
You file your affidavit.
affidavit to that extent. We have to file. Well, first question is, my lord, we have not received the return back. That is the question.
What?
We have returned with some observation, returned to the concerned department.
Okay.
I am appearing, my lord. Oh. 4 and 5 million. 4 and 5.
Report after.
Yeah.
20. May.
20th of May.
20.
Extra copy.
Since learned standing councils have already entered appearances, extra copies will be furnished.
Right.
Within a period of 1 week from today.
Good luck.
মই তো একটু একদম চিনি একটু চিনি আপনি কি আপনি Let, I have State Bank is necessary, but the last payment certificate is necessary to because it will stop during the year November 2008 month.
State Bank is a necessary party, they are a party here.
Yeah,
Yes, my lord.
and we have
They-
given them the requirements way back on 12/8/2018. The requirements. They are not complying. Please address to you. Lordship Annexure 4, page 17. From 2008 to 2018, the pension was not paid. So it is barred by limitation.
File your report.
Yes, my lord.
File your report.
Two experiment.
Then the affidavit and file by the report. On the petitioner. Yes. Yes, sir. Property.
My lord, in this case, notice was issued and PWD was supposed to file an affidavit. Now, the case is a very short campus note. The petitioner was initially appointed as sub-engineer, then sometime he was redesignated as junior engineer, and way back in 1992, my lord, there was a decision to upgrade sub-engineers to the higher grade pay of senior grade pay to those junior engineers who had completed 8 years of service. Now, it was not done. Petitioner approached this honorable court, and your lordship will find the order passed by this honorable court on 17/6/2016, page 33. 33. Last paragraph, after considering the submissions of the parties and on consideration of the materials available on record, this writ petition is disposed of with the direction to the respondent number 1, that is the Commissioner and Special Secretary to the Government of Assam, PWD Building Assam, to consider the case of the petitioner for promotion, upgradation to the post of senior grade junior engineer and pass appropriate orders within a period of 3 months. Now, my lord, that was not done. He repeatedly approached, and in the meantime, my lord, the petitioner has attained his age of superannuation and retired from service on 31/7/2017. Now, my lord, because of this inaction, he is getting a lesser pension. First of all, if he is upgraded.
Why notice was filed?
My lord, he was pursuing, and from during 2021, this corona period, and my lord, is something.
Do you want a repeat of the same order?
No, my lord.
Notional.
If that was considered, it was decided way back in 1992. For some reason, it was not done. But there is no denial of the fact that he completed 8 years, and the list contained all the junior engineers who were upgraded to senior pay scale. Now, if that is done, my lord, that will definitely have an impact on his retirement dues. It will impact his monthly pension, and he'll be entitled to some area of
There
salary.
is no appeal or review in respect of this.
No, my lord. This order has attained finality, my lord. In fact, notice was received and they were supposed to file an affidavit. Notice was issued on 13/3.
You say.
Also, in this case, lots of instruction is still awaited. Awaited means it was communicated, Lord. Notice was issued on 18/3, Lord. Today is the second day, Lord.
13/3, 18/3.
Later on, I think.
Listed on 13/3.
Request of the
PWD, sir.
representing.
PWD.
In fact, the chief engineer also had written letter for compliance of that order. And my lord, in between corona came, everything got. May I pray for a date? That comes
right.
9th of May.
10. 10 of May. 10 of May.
First, wait, please. But in this case, two wives, my lord, two wives pension. And I am the first wife, my lord, and the affidavit filed by the respondent number 5, who claims to be the second wife, it is bereft of any document whatsoever, not a single document.
You are first wife.
I am the first wife, and my son is there, my lord.
Why are you giving?
Because the PHE department has not processed the pension in respect of my deceased husband, who died while still in service.
Where are your documents?
My documents from Annexure 1 onward,
nomination, whose name is there?
That we do not know, because the service book is,
Department?
My lord, both have approached us.
No, service.
Service book, my lord, we have to look into, but we are also in a,
The crux of the matter. So I've seen
that I have to seek instructions, my lord, the service book, specific instruction. Otherwise, my lord, since board has approached us, we are in also a dilemma.
Where are the marriage certificate?
no, there is no marriage certificate by of either the petitioner or the respondent number 5 minutes. What is there is that the documents pertaining to the child, the boy who was born, that is annexure 2, page 14 onward.
Where is the death certificate?
Death certificate we have annexed, that is at page 21.
21.
Yes, we have annexed the death certificate. That is annexure 4, page 21.
Name of the deceased.
Yes. They, I
The
think,
name of the mother is there.
yes, name of his mother and his father is there, and my name is also there, my lord. If your lordship turns to be Sunmay Dr. Suikia.
You're the wife.
Yes, and I have also obtained the next of kin, my lord, from the office of the deputy commissioner. Yes, Sipsagar.
And what about the private respondent? What documents do you have?
My lord, as per as per, may I please your lordship, as per my instruction, my lord, as my deceased husband Pradeep Saikia told me that my husband has never married to the writ petitioner, my lord. Prior to my marriage, my lord, with the answering respondent, he had an illegal affair, my lord, and due to that illegal affair, a male child was born. And secondly, my lord, the writ petitioner had paid 3,500 as maintenance, my lord, only on the ground of humanity, my lord, as he has a child with the writ petitioner, my lord. Lordship may kindly pay to page 11, my lord. Each and every document, my lord, nowhere they have annexed their voter ID, Aadhaar card, nowhere there is there, my lord, that writ answer. This is husband was the husband of the writ petitioner, my lord. And secondly, my lord, as
What
writ
documents do you have? What are your documents to support that you are the wife of
my lord,
marriage certificate,
marriage was done, my lord, as per
next of kin certificate,
marriage was done, my lord, as per Hindu rights and rituals, my
whatever.
lord.
Okay, not there. Next of kin certificate.
Next of kin certificate, my lord, as they are obtained in their name, my lord. Only one next of kin certificate can be issued, my lord.
So if they have obtained, you have to file an application for cancellation. Then
Lordship, I am filing, my lord.
filing, then what can be done now? And the department, you have to find out who's
One
doing
specific
is there any
instruction.
nominee?
I can, next day, I will bring the service book.
One important question, my lord.
Yes.
Important issue is there, my lord. They are claiming that, my lord, in para 2, my lord, their marriage was solemnized in the year 1994. And husband died, my lord, in the year 2023, my lord. So why, if she is legally married wife, my lord, legally married as she claimed first wife, my lord, why her name has been put in service book for the purpose of family pension, my lord? Her never married, my lord. My husband never married with a writ petitioner, my lord.
Where is the name in the service book? That's what we want to find.
Department will lordship knows.
How do you know that the name is there or not?
I have made an inquiry, my lord, at department, my lord, that her name is not there in service book, my lord.
Whose name is there?
My name is also not there, my lord, but while the matter was processing, my lord, he wanted to nominate my name. In the meantime, he died, my lord. He was supposed to retire in the year August
Perhaps he was
2024, my
waiting
lord.
for retirement and death to put her name in there, in spite of such a long alleged cohabitation. My learned friend is putting the cart before the horse, not a single document.
Now, on what basis are you making a claim that you are the wife? Your submission that she does not have a better claim is not going to improve your claim.
Lordship,
You have to find out something to do it, otherwise it is there. On what basis? Somebody has to right.
Lordship, my lord. But there is no legal document, my lord, as marriage was solemnized as per Hindu rights and rituals, my lord. Lordship.
Statements of why it was not done, why what is here, something has not happened. Right. Now, I'm not say that for the first wife, second wife, wife. And it's not the forum. You have got You're not going to the civil court. The civil court. You don't know. Voter ID, voter slip, what is that? What is the name of your husband?
What is second, my lord?
Lordship, we have some documents. Aadhaar card is there.
My lord, I have documents, my lord. I have not annexed, my lord. Where my lord, my husband name is written as Pradip Sakya, my lord. Lordship may kindly peruse, my lord. My photo ID is there, my lord. My Aadhaar card is there, my lord. Everywhere, my lord, it is written that, my lord, I am his wife, my lord.
Where? Where?
Lordship, I have not annexed. I have filed one additional affidavit, my lord. Lordship may kindly allow me.
But in any case, these are not determined. The wife determined that.
Okay, while Lordship may kindly peruse these documents.
So why?
But let this matter come up for admission. On a date for your lordship convenience.
Is there no document in the department suggest?
I have to bring the service book. Otherwise, I have to.
Application for the name.
Well, after the petitioners, the person's death, my lord, we have received application from both the.
He expired when? During service.
Yes, sir, yes, my lord.
6/4/2023.
6/4/2023.
Died in harness.
Yes, he was to retire in August 2024.
On his death, my lord, we received application from both the parties. Claiming the benefit.
You take up the record, take some
My lord.
you make your inquiry.
My lord.
Otherwise, on the face of it, when did you get married?
2005, my lord, in the year.
And when did the petitioner get married?
1994. And our son was born in 1996. As per my lord, that my deceased husband told me he never married, my lord. So no document he has, my lord.
But the son's name is there.
Son's name is there, my lord.
Pradip Sakya.
Son's name is there, my lord, but in voter ID, everywhere, my lord, their documents they have produced, my lord. Nowhere, dear, my lord, that my husband is her husband, my lord.
Oh, your late husband is her husband. And your late husband is going to be the father of son.
And in the maintenance proceeding, he has paid, and after a compromise, he continued to pay the proceeding, the maintenance. Bill is there. That order we have, that is there at page 20, my lord. If he is, I am not his wife, then why he will take the burden, my lord? He is a government servant. 3,500.
My lord, the private respondent once the private respondent date of birth is 56. Claims to be
56, no.
56 date of birth.
Date of birth.
And claims to get married in the year 2005.
Then he'll be, how old will you be?
So the affidavit is about 68 or 69, my lord. He will be almost 10 years older than the deceased. That may be, my lord. Strange things happen.
Let the respondent department.
I'll bring the service book. I have no other way.
Complete the
My lord.
If there is any material, if there is any document available in respect of showing the claim of either of the petitioner or of the private respondent as the nominee.
Fine. I'll bring.
If there is any document which supports the claim of either of the petitioner or the private respondent as legal heirs or nominees of the deceased employee. What is the name? Pradip.
Pradip Sakya.
Pradip Sakya. Please begin on so Mr. P. Sharma for accountant general for
S.A. Bikhabir, my lord. Respondent number 5.
You are Mr. S.F.
S.A. Bikhabir, my lord.
S.A.B. Respondent number 5. And Mr. Ganguly for the be listed again after 3 weeks.
Main detail.
Can be on 13th, May 13th.
15 May.
15 May. There is an interim order, operating both ways, neither to her nor to me. That may continue.
Interim order passed earlier.
Deeply applies, Malad.
Yeah.
Hello, this is the IA application is required to be filed for amending the REIT application. This is the second litigation, my lord. My lord, during the pendency of this REIT application, my lord.
He's challenging his own PPO.
Is there
they have submitted two letters that regarding the regular monthly pension they have fixed. That is the provisional pension amount which has been paid in compliance with the content test that has been fixed. That is a very important point to be considered, my lord. That's why I have to consider all the subsequent pensionary benefits will be reduced. I will be deprived, my lord. This is the case, my lord. I have challenged it. I have challenged, my lord, expertise inquiry report. Expertise inquiry report I have challenged, my lord. This is the
amendment had major PPO.
and that's why, my lord, in compliance with this, let us kindly see what happened they have done. My lord, Annexer B, page 30, my lord.
Look,
page 30. This is the
carry on.
in IA application.
Carry
My lord, yes, sir. I am to forward here with PPO number in favor of Sri Nirmal Roy Chaudhary, retired sub-engineer gets to for rupees 18,310 per month, and to request that the pensioner's portion of the order may be made over to him after obtaining his signature on the disbursed portion.
What interim order is there in your writ petition? What interim order is passed in the writ petition?
Interim order, my lord, there is no interim order. My lord, till today, 2 years have been elapsed, the new affidavit has been filed by them.
No. So therefore,
Now, my lord, my respectful submission before is honorable. During the pendency of this second WBC case, what happened? They have suddenly calculated the entire amount. That means they have fixed the monthly regular pension. Monthly regular pension, that is provisional pension has been fixed.
so this IA has been filed for what? For amendment.
Yeah, just I may be allowed to now filing to amend the petition.
That's what I'm saying. So if we allow your prayer,
Yes,
then you'll have to file an amended petition.
Yes. Yes, I have filed the amended petition, my lord. This is the amended petition.
No. You have filed an IA.
IA, yes, my lord.
What is this IA for? 114. Who has filed this IA?
He has filed his IA for amending his
IA in WPC an application
for amending his prayer portion of his
writ petition. An application filed by the applicant for praying for amending the writ petition of the above in compliance with the last order, that is 18% WPC. This is in my.
So what amendments are you praying?
Paragraph
page
25, my lord. He wants to change the paragraph. Page 25, my lord.
My lord, page 25.
Only the prayer.
My prayer, my lord. First, they allow in the premises above, your lordship may be present to admit this petition. They allow this interlocutory application for amendment of the instant petition and add the above facts, grounds, and prayer.
Mr. Counsel, please listen to the query of the court. We are trying to understand what amendments are you praying for? Is it only the prayer or are you praying for paragraphs in the writ petition? Are you praying for amendment in the writ petition also or only the prayer?
No, my I may be allowed to amend the paragraphs.
That's right. So there is no interim order here in the writ petition.
There is no interim order.
Very well. So therefore, we permit you to withdraw the writ petition, file a fresh one instead of filing an amended writ petition. What is your difficulty?
No, my respectful. Now it is my respectful submission before the after 38 paragraph. These are the paragraphs will be.
No, Mr. Counsel, after 38 paragraphs, whatever paragraphs you add, you'll still have to file an amended writ petition before the court with the amendments.
Yes, in an amended writ petition.
That's right. So instead of that, you also have the option, we'll permit you withdraw this petition, file an amended petition. We file a fresh petition with whatever new paragraphs, additions, whatever you want, you file a fresh petition in one concise petition.
One point that just I want to make it clear. What happened there, it will be
Because there is
already in the first WBC, they have not filed any affidavit for last 2 years. Now, again, one that he has been deprived from his legitimate right to, for 11 years, he has been deprived for arrear salary, everything, my lord. Now, if lordship, if your lordship allow me, it's the same thing will happen. On the next day, I will
No,
submit the
that is what
amended
we are trying to make you understand, that it is the same thing that we are trying to say, but it will be more convenient for you as well as for court, because instead of having too many petitions, you'll have only one petition with everything that you want to say. Fresh petition.
By adding this.
Everything, whatever you want to add. You withdraw this petition, we'll allow you and we'll give you liberty to file a fresh. There is no interim order otherwise.
Actually, they have fixed the monthly regular pension and other, they have calculated, but that is actually wrongly calculated.
Which is what you want to challenge now.
Now.
So you bring it in the fresh writ petition.
In fact, just now my colleague told me this main parent writ petition has been disposed of.
Then the first litigation has been disposed of.
What is that?
774.
774.
My lord, 774 is not the disposal. It is pending.
Oh.
It is second litigation, my lord. I have
Oh,
sent
my
the
lord, sorry, my
expert
lord,
report.
orders.
Okay.
And all the arrear amounts and the pensionary.
So say if you want,
that is my
if you want, you can withdraw and.
But
file
he has to
fresh.
strike out a lot of things. Dead men, dead people are also being made party here.
Otherwise, you'll have to file the amended copy of the petition, serve it, and this original petition plus the amended petition, both will be available.
Original face WBC will be helpful.
That's right.
Okay. Then
So you withdraw it.
Yes, my lord, I have withdrawn, and I may be allowed to submit on the after on 22nd.
All right.
22nd, I will submit.
22nd, what will you submit?
22nd April.
No. What do you want to submit
My
on
lord,
22nd?
I may be allowed to submit on 22nd April. Face review.
You file it on any date you want. You can file it tomorrow also if you want.
Yes.
We are not stopping you on that. Heard learned counsel for the party that the request of the learned counsel for the party, he seeks liberty to withdraw the writ petition, enabling him to file afresh with the amendments and corrections that he submits are necessary to be incorporated.
Because on his last occasion, Honorable Court has allowed me to amend it, to file the amended.
It's the same thing.
And that's why I am in confusion.
No,
So
it's
sorry,
the
madam.
same thing.
Okay, madam. Possible.
Writ petition according
Oh,
to
that's
disposed of as with liberty, I so and so is also dismissed.
Always.
Mr. T. Gogoi for
PhD.
Mr.
Tiburua for number 6.
Accountant General. Accountant General.
Always.
Thank you. So this IA is for substitution of the legal representative of petition number 11, 11A, B, and C. They are the legal heirs. Wife and two sons.
Substitution.
Substitution.
Okay, heard learned counsel for the applicant. It is submitted that the writ petition.
Petitioner number 11, Dr. Modit Ranjan Gogoi.
Dr. Modit Ranjan Gogoi, who is one of the writ petitioners, in fact, writ petitioner number 11 in the accompanying writ petition WPC 6375 of 2015, had since expired on
3/3/2023.
On 3/3/2023. Learned counsel for the applicant has referred to his
Paragraph 4, page 7, They are the legal representative.
Have you enclosed the?
Yes, I have enclosed the next of kin certificate.
Death certificate also?
Death certificate also I have enclosed.
Has referred to the death certificate.
Page 11,
showing death certificate dated 12/4/2023, showing the name of the deceased as Motit Ranjan Gogoi and the name of the wife as Mamoni Borua. Stop. Pursuant thereto, the legal heirs applied before the Kamrup Metropolitan District
Is
and
the
applied
case
for
PL pillar?
the legal heir certificate. And accordingly, a legal heir certificate was issued on 16,
It is on 14/6/2020.
14/6/2023, showing Mamoni Borua as wife and Rishikesh Gogoi as son and Bhaskar Jyoti Gogoi as son of the deceased late Motit Ranjan Gogoi. Stop. It is submitted that the applicants, namely Mamoni Borua and only
Three
the,
millers, Mamoni
wife is
Borua,
to be there.
Rishikesh Gogoi and Bhaskar Jyoti Gogoi.
Rishikesh Gogoi and
Bhaskar Jyoti Gogoi.
Bhaskar Jyoti Gogoi are to be arrayed as petitioner
11A,
in
11B.
their capacity as legal heirs in place of petitioner number 11. So, prayer is not objected to by MS D. Bora, learned counsel appearing for the health department. Stop. No objection is also received by the counsel appearing on behalf of the finance department. Accordingly, these IS stands allowed. The applicants, namely 1, 2, and 3, are permitted to be arrayed as petitioners in place of late Motit Ranjan Gogoi as petitioner 11, petitioner number 11 in WPC 6375 of 2015. So I accordingly stands disposed of. I allowed and disposed of. The counsel for the petitioner will file amended post title in the registry within a period of.
Registry may be directed to.
No, you file amended post title within a period of 1 week from today. Yes, madam. You are for the finance?
No, my lord. it is a
No,
PO.
the council at the back.
Financial attorney?
You are appearing for the finance also?
On behalf of B. Gogoi, taken it.
B. Gogoi, that's right. Your name?
A.
A. Bodhakur for the finance on behalf of Mr. B. Gogoi. Okay. Insofar as the writ petition, you write in view of the order passed today in I number so and so, the applicants 1, 2, and 3 are arrayed as petitioners 11 are arrayed as in place of writ petitioner number 11 Motit Ranjan Gogoi as the legal aids.
The writ petition may be fixed on
The writ petition be listed.
9th or 10th May.
Be listed again on 10th of May.
10th of May.
10th of May.
Much.
We have recorded the name of. Well, we can record your name. You're for the finance.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Nayak for the finance. Yes.
Much.
Well,
One.
Death judgment not covered this case.
No. It's a cover.
For the regular employee, that is not.
which judgment?
My last one.
Some Supreme Court judge.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. That is not applicable here, my lord. Because one particular clause was challenged in the case, in our case.
Then we'll have it next week then.
Yes, my lord.
22nd.
Then Lordship will issue notice, Lordship, in the meantime, I'll file one affidavit.
Okay, hard learned counsel for the parties issue notice. Mr. Nayak appears for the PWD department and Mr. C. Borua for accountant general. Since the understanding councils have entered appearances, let the notices are waived, however, extra copies be furnished to the standing councils within a period of 1 week from today. Matter be listed after the returnable date. Yes.
Sign in.
Apart from Kolkan Bazaar. He has bring one, this is a detailed report, only almost same, my lord, as earlier, my lord, almost same.
Now, what does one make out of it?
Now, my lord, one of the position of
Case diary আৰু charge sheet or কিবা trace পাইছে নে নাই?
নাই স্যার থানাত একো ৰেকৰ্ড নাই স্যাৰ
আৰু PI কোৰ্টত?
PI কোৰ্টত স্যাৰ আমি মানে থানাৰ পৰা পঠাই দিছিলোঁ কিন্তু ৰেকৰ্ড একো পোৱা নাই PI কোৰ্টে জিআৰ ব্ৰাঞ্চত দিয়া বুলি কৈছে তো PI অচিক মানে স্যাৰ ভাৰ্বেলি ফোন কৰি কিনে জনাইছিলে যে ৰিচিপ্টটো পাইছে বুলি মানে জিআৰ ব্ৰাঞ্চত
We can direct them to make an inquiry and give you the report. You can place it before the court.
Inquiry.
Not
Only
inquiry.
CGM office can do it, my lord, because the police said they have already submitted all papers in the.
CGM says it is not here. Is there a copy নাই?
নাই
Second copy না
সেকেন্ড কপিও নাই পোৱা নাই স্যার
Okay. You are discharged. You can we discharge him.
Yes, yes.
Out of-
Even lordship,
Yeah.
21C lordship. Assam Service Pension Rules lordship. 21C lordship.
Data report almost same.
We have called for a detailed report that has not come from the CGM. Let us give one more date.
Well, already 4 months time has already been granted.
No, there is an order of this court calling for the report. The office note reflects that it has not come. So we'll inquire, we direct the registry to call for the report.
But through registry, already, CGM has already on 2 occasions lordship clearly lordship stated that no record is available. Again,
19.3.
On 2 occasions, lordship, they have submitted lordship report, lordship, stating clearly that lordship, no record is available. Again, lordship, restarting the issue, lordship.
Sorry. I think it is received.
My lord. As per the order dated, lordship, 7/3, 2024, lordship.
But where is the retail select file?
And lordship, as per lordship, rule 21C also, lordship, he is eligible for pension, lordship. Because rule 21C, lordship, clearly indicates that, lordship, if there is no any judicial proceeding before the retirement of the government servant, lordship, and his pension cannot be withheld, lordship. And it is their rule, lordship, 21C, lordship. And even, lordship, there is also, lordship, where Supreme Court judgment is also there, lordship.
Clinic. No.
And
Photocopy
my my lord, he is a cancer patient, lordship, bedridden, lordship. Some sympathy may be sought, lordship.
Yes, Mr. Hendrik, nothing is there. But you are holding on to the pension. Have you got provisional pension?
Yes, my lord, he has been receiving provisional pension, lord.
But his final pensionary settlement has to be done. There's nothing here.
No, my lord, only because of my lord that circular
It's not here.
finance. No, my lord, that is true, my lord. That now it's come, my lord, today.
What is that circular?
Lordship, I have annexed in my affidavit, lordship.
Lordship, may I leave?
Oh, yes. We keep forgetting that you are actually not here. But at the request of the court. Thank you very much. Hmm. What circular is there?
2012, I think, that is. Not more. No, Circular of the finance department.
Yes, it is continued, but then where is the evidence of continuance?
That is, my lord, that whether this criminal case is pending or my lord, that already been the search, evaluate search it, or my lord, already finally report has been submitted or not. That's why, my lord, we have written a letter to the DGP also.
No, the judicial proceeding means in case of criminal proceeding.
Lord.
The date on which the complaint or report has been taken cognizance of by the magistrate. So hasn't no cognizance, so no.
No, my lord, whether the cognizance has been taken or not, my lord, that
Not
is.
taken.
Not
taken.
It is
Yes,
time to, my lord,
12%.
after this, my lord, that instruction lordship has been received. My lord, prior to that, my lord, we have not any instruction regarding that, whether the judicial proceeding has been initiated or not. Even then, my lord, said in our affidavit, we have written to the, my lord, DGP also, whether this criminal case.
No,
my
see,
lord,
according to the police, it is pending.
Lord,
They filed.
lordship. That's why, my lord, if it
According
is
to the court,
filed,
their magistrate
if
has
it is
not taken
pending,
note.
lordship. So as part of that circular, my lord, we cannot, my lord, granted them the pension.
Even if it is taken cognizance hereafter,
Lord.
it will not affect the right of the petitioner. Pursuant after today, supposing we pass an order today, not going to affect it. Till today, there is no cognizance.
Lord, yes, madam.
Okay. Heard, learned counsel for me. Anyone else? For the respondent? Anything to submit? Nothing to submit? Yes, Director of Pension. Nothing yet. Heard, learned counsel for the parties. This petition is by the petitioner. Had served as assistant machine operator in the office of the Director of Land Record Survey, Government of Assam. So, during the period of his service, petitioner was placed under suspension on 21/06/1999 by order dated 28/06/1999, pending withdrawal of Department of Proceeding following his arrest in connection with Cotton Bazar PH case number 189 of 1999. Thereafter, on 14/6/2006, the petitioner was reinstated in service, keeping the regularization period of suspension in abeyance till disposal of criminal case. During the pendency of the pursuant thereto, the petitioner superannuated from service on 31/10/2020. The petitioner had approached this court earlier by filing WPC 589 of 2022, seeking a direction for release of the pension and leave. However, what happened to the earlier writ petition?
Earlier writ petition lordship, earlier writ petition already ordered lordship. Page 25 lordship. 25 of my writ petition lordship.
The earlier writ petition came to be disposed
Earlier
of,
petition, Lordship,
26,
page 26, Lordship.
uh,
Mm,
by coordinate bench, think that as the criminal proceeding is pending against the petitioner, there is no infirmity that can be noticed by not paying the final pension to the restitution. Stop. The respondents were however directed to release the provisional pension. In terms of the orders passed by this court in WBC, in terms of the order dated 9/11/2022 passed with WBC 589 of 2020, the petitioner was was directed to continue to pay the provisional pension to the restitution. In terms of that, the petitioner was paid provisional pension. However, final pension payment has not been set on the ground that there is a criminal proceeding pending against the petitioner. There being no finality, the criminal proceeding, the present petitioner approached this court again. The petitioner approached this court again by filing the present petition, praying for direction, respondent, release the pensionary benefits, including gratuity, leave encashments, and with interest. An affidavit was filed by a para. Pursuant to issuance of notice, an affidavit was filed by the additional director of the federal. Wherein it stated that the following benefits have been released to the petitioner. Page number 30, para 11. The affidavit further stated that as per the information received from the investigating authority, final report / charge sheet pertaining to PS case number so has been submitted. However, specific report, detailed report. However, report from the police authority to that extent was not received. The period of suspension has also not been regularized, awaiting the outcome of the criminal case. It is stated in the affidavit that as per the PPG, as per the notification number PPG B, bracket PPG within bracket B, bracket 27/2012/8, dated 21/06/2012. No DCRG will be paid to him until conclusion of the proceedings and the issue of final orders thereto. Learned counsel to the petitioner submit that in spite of efforts being made by the petitioner to obtain the information from the concerned state, no information is forthcoming as to the status of the criminal proceeding relating to the PS case number 189 of 1990. So, case was filed about 24 years back, and the charge sheet was stated to have been filed on 30/7/2009/14. no copy of the charge sheet has been provided. Whereas the departmental councils representing the court also did not have any instructions as to status of the criminal proceeding. Stated to be pending. Status of the criminal proceedings relating to the arising out of Polton case. Accordingly, this court directed a report to the court from the CJI Metro, before which court the before which court the charge sheet has been stated to apply. So, pursuant to the in deference to the order passed by this court, by communication dated 6th of March 2024, the learned CJI intimated the registrar, judicial and IT, of the Guwahati High Court, and that although the officer in charge of the Polton station has submitted a report stating that the charge sheet, ID charge sheet number 121 of 2014, dated 3007/2014, has been filed, and the same is recorded in the receipt register of the charge sheet lying in the PI office, the Kamrup Metro Guwahati, the office of the CJF could not verify whether the said charge sheet was actually sent or placed before the court. So, it is further stated that there is no evidence of receipt of the said charge sheet by the PI office or by court proceeding. Subsequent date, another report was called for by this court. In response to that, the learned CTM, by communication dated 19th March 2024, intimated the assistant registrar of the Guwahati High Court that the charge sheet arising out that in with regard to the case record relating to Polton Mudar PS case number 189 of 1999, the charge sheet of the same case yet to be enrolled in the case record. So, the case is presently pending before the court of CJM Kamrup Metro in search of the charge sheet. So, a photocopy of the aforesaid case record has also been enclosed for perusal by the court. The report along with the case record are placed before the court. So, a careful perusal of the photocopy of the case record does not indicate anywhere that the charge sheet number 121 of 2014, dated 3007/2014, stated to have been filed before the court as per the receipt registrar of charge sheet in the office of the PI, in the PI office, Kamrup Metro Guwahati, is not reflected anywhere. So, under such circumstances, has to be concluded that as on date, no charge sheet has stated to have been filed by the OC Polton Bazar police station in connection with Polton Bazar PS case number 22 has been found in the office of the CJM Kamrup Metro or has been placed before the court or connected to the corresponding case record. So, under such circumstances, as on date, upon careful perusal of the case record enclosed, case records furnished by the learned court of CTF, it is seen that there is no order passed by the competent court taking cognizance of any charge sheet or any final report, any charge sheet, the, what do you call it, final form, any charge sheet in connection with order for the case number 12. Stop. Para. In reference to Rule 21 of the Assam Surveillance Pension of 1969 is relevant for the purposes of this case. Under Rule 21, the right of withholding or withdrawing pension or any part thereof, whether permanently or for a specified period, is reserved for the governor of Assam. The right of recovery from a pension of the whole or any part of any pecuniary or any part thereof for any pecuniary loss caused to the government may be ordered if in a departmental or judicial proceeding the pensioner is found to be guilty of grave misconduct or negligence during his period of service, including service rendered upon re-employment after retirement. Stop. Subpara. Let's say clause Rule 21 is expected. A relevant portion of Rule 21 is expected. Or you can say Rule 21 is expected. A careful perusal of 21 reveals that except by way of a departmental proceeding or by judicial proceeding instituted against the pensioner, the recovery of pension of the whole or any part thereof for any pecuniary losses caused to the government cannot be ordered. So, in the present case, in the present proceeding, no departmental proceeding was instituted. There is no departmental.
No.
So therefore, the portion of the rule relating to institution of departmental proceeding is not applicable. So, insofar as judicial proceedings are concerned, the explanation B, small b, under Rule 21 provides that a judicial proceeding shall be deemed to be instituted within bracket Roman 1 in case of criminal proceedings on the date on which the complaint or the report of the police officer on which the magistrate takes cognizance as such, mere filing of an FIR will not be constituted or understood to be a judicial proceeding for the purposes of Rule 21 of the pension. There must be cognizance taken by the competent court of jurisdiction, criminal jurisdiction, from pursuant to which it can be deemed to be a judicial proceeding instituted. So, from a careful perusal of the reports called for from the office of the learned CTM Metro, as well as the photocopies of the documents enclosed, photocopies of the case record of the concerned Bolton Bazar PS case number 7 enclosed, there is no evidence to show. There is no material to show that the learned court of JF had taken cognizance in respect of any charge sheet that has been filed. So the copy of the charge sheet stated to have been filed has also not been produced for the court by the OC or the IO of Bolton Bozar PS. So a communication addressed to the learned APP who was requested to assist the court reflects that there is no evidence, there is no document or relevant charge sheet or even case record pertaining to Bolton Bozar PS case number 7, which is found in the office of in the Bolton Bozar police station. So, the only the statement that the charge sheet number 5 by the Bolton Bozar PS connection with Bolton Bozar PS is on the basis of the register related with PI of company. So, however, the report of the CJM clearly reveals that such a copy chart stated to have been received by the PI of company as found recorded there. It has not been placed nor is it connected case record right or relating. Under such circumstances, as on date, the learned CJM is not yet taken. As on date, no charge has been placed in the learned CJM and no cognizance thereof has been taken by consequent for the purpose of 21C. It has to be had that there is no pending at present requiring withholding or recovery of any amount payable to the recovery of any amount from his pension benefit payable. So, as already discussed, there is no department that in view of all scope is okay that there should be no further delay in the release of pensionary benefits and other retirement leave encashment. What are the
My lord,
rails?
gratuity, Lordship. Gratuity, leave encashment, regulation of period of suspension, Lordship.
Gratuity, leave encashment,
Regulation period of suspension.
the release forfeit, and the period of suspension, and the period under which the petitioner was placed under suspension has to be regularized. This is no consequential department. The respondent authorities are formally directed regularize the period of the period on and thereafter whatever outstanding retirement benefit found to be paid leave encashment penalty and rest.
Also regularize the final payment.
Huh?
Also, Lordship, regularize the final payment.
and regularize and release the final benefit. Be restricted. So, this exercise we carried out by the not an authority. Within a period of 60 days from the date of the reporting, then both of allow
Highly of
this court expresses its gratitude to the learned deputy for assisting in the court for due assistance in the court. Although the although due assistance in the court has the learned deputy appeared at the request of the